Okay, on number 6, we're actually finding 3 parts. We're finding a missing angle and we're finding 2 side lengths. So let's use the 37-degree angle. That's going to tell me that this is the adjacent side, this is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So with that being said, I'm going to use the 37, the x, and the 6. That's adjacent and opposite, so that tells me that's TOA. So I'm going to do the tangent of 37 equals the opposite, which is 6, or the adjacent, which is x. Now, just like the previous problem that we did, in order to solve for x when the variable's on the bottom, basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the 6 and I'm dividing it by the tangent of 37. So when I put that into my calculator, I'm going to do 6 divided by the tangent of 37, and that gets me 7.96. So x in this case, if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, actually would be 8.0 for my length there. Then if I want to find y, I'm going to use the opposite in the hypotenuse. So I'm going to do, for that, the sine of 37 equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So in this case, again, the variable is on the bottom, so I'm going to do 6 divided by the sine of 37. So again, I'm going to put that into my calculator here. 6 divided by the sine of 37. That gets me 9.96. So again, rounded to the nearest tenth, that's going to be 10.0. Now, the last part is then I got to find my angle. My angle is z. Now, one of the things we know is that all 3 of these angles add up to 180. Since this is 90, these 2 add up to 90. So I can say 90 minus 37, which 90 minus 37 gets me 90 minus 37 gets me 53. So z is going to be 53 degrees. So there are my 3 parts. X would be 8.0, y 10.0, and z is 53 degrees.